Hi guys, and welcome back to the Friesen kitchen. My name is Annika, and today I'm going to show you how to make our family's favorite one-pot beef and veggie stew. This meal is packed with nutrition. It's so colorful, we all love it. Let me walk you through the ingredients. So you will need 2 carrots, 1 yellow and red bell pepper, 6 potatoes, 1 zucchini, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 cups of beef stock, 1 pound of ground beef, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of salt. The next step is pretty simple, just clean your veggies and dice them. So now heat a little bit of oil in a deep pot, then add the ground beef and sauté on medium heat until brown. To the meat you're gonna add the diced onion and garlic and let it cook for 5 minutes. Then season it all with salt, pepper and paprika. Then add tomato paste and the 2 cups of beef stock. Now I'm gonna add the carrots, the zucchini, potatoes, red and yellow bell pepper, and I mix it well. Add the remaining cup of beef stock, then I cover it all with a lid and set the heat to low and let it all cook for 30 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious, nutritious, healthy one-pot meal for the whole family. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and I hope to see you next time. Bye!